Exercise 1.2. A total number of electrons in the human body is typically in the order of 10 raised to 28. Suppose due to some reason you and your friend lost 1% of this number of electrons. Calculate the electrostatic force between you and your friend separated at a distance of 1 meter. Compare this with your weight. Assume mass of each person is 60 kg and use point charge approximation. Okay. Now here what is given is the total number of electrons in a human body is given. Okay. And you and your friend are lost. So 2 persons is taken. Okay. So you and your friend are lost 1% of the number of electrons. So in 10 raised to 28, 1% is lost. Now you and your friend are separated at a distance of 1 meter. Now what is the electrostatic force between you and your friend? This is the first part of the question. Second part of the question is compare this with your weight. That is, you have to compare the electrostatic force with your weight. Okay. So assume mass of each person is given. So first you have to find out weight. Then you have to compare it with the electrostatic force. Okay. Now first we can go for writing the data. Now number of electrons in the human body. How many number of electrons are there? 10 raised to 28. Okay. Loss of electrons. How many percentage is given? 1%. Okay. So, number of electrons in the human body after 1% of loss. So that is 1% into 10 raised to 28. That is how much? 1 by 100 into 10 raised to 28. So that is how much? 10 raised to 26 electrons. Okay. Now what is the charge? Charge Q is equal to Ne. So N is 10 raised to 26 into charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. That is the charge of the electron. So what is the value here? It is 1.6 into 10 raised to 7 coulomb. This is your charge. Okay. Now both the persons are having the same charge. Both the persons are having what? Same charge. Now we can go for finding the force. So we can take Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q only. Okay. We can take the force. Electrostatic force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Now you know what is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 raised to 9. I told you Q1 and Q2 are what? Same. So 1.6 into 10 raised to 7 into 1.6 into 10 raised to 7 divided by distance is what? 1 meter. Distance is how much? 1 meter. So it is 1 square. Okay. Now multiplying this, you will be getting as 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 is 2.56 into here 9 plus 7 plus 7, that is 10 raised to 23. So if you multiply this, you will be getting as 23.04 into 10 raised to 23 Newton. This is the force you are getting. Now you have to find out the weight. For finding the weight, what is given is mass of man is given. Mass of man is equal to what? 60 kg. So what is the weight? Weight is equal to mg. So 60 into 9.8. That is how much? If you multiply, you will be getting as 588 Newton. Now you have to compare the force with weight. You have to compare the force with what? Weight. Now how to compare the force with weight? So force by weight when you compare it. So what is the force? 23.04 into 10 raised to 23 divided by weight is how much? 588. When you divide this, you will be getting as 0.03918 into 10 raised to 23. So if you write it in the correct form, then it is 3.18 into 10 raised to 23. So this is a ratio. Okay, force by weight. So this is the value you are getting.